From a distance, Nisyros seems peaceful, a circle of land rising gently from the Aegean. But beneath its calm surface lies a restless heart, the breath of a volcano, ancient and alive. Mandraki embodies the spirit of the Greek islands. Whitewashed walls, blue shutters, and narrow lanes alive with the scent of citrus and sea. Here, history and devotion meet. In the shadow of a monastery built into rock, and the ruins of fortresses that once guarded against the sea. Perched above the town is the monastery of Panagia Spiliani, Our Lady of the Cave. According to tradition, an icon of the Virgin was miraculously found here in a cavern. Today, the monastery rises like a beacon, its chapel built into the living rock, a place of devotion and pilgrimage. Beside it, the ruins of a medieval castle remind us of the island's turbulent past. Built by the Knights of St. John, it once protected Mandraki from pirates and invaders. Farther inland stands the Paleocastro, the ancient Acropolis. Its cyclopean walls, built of black volcanic basalt, still loom strong, a testament to the engineering of the 4th century BC. But beyond its monuments, Mandraki is alive in its streets. Children playing, elders sitting at kafenaya, fishermen mending nets by the harbor, and the gentle pulse of everyday life unfolding at its own unhurried pace. As we move inland, the landscape changes. The colors fade, the air grows heavy with sulfur, and the earth itself begins to speak. Before us opens Stefanos, a vast steaming crater where the breath of the planet escapes in whispers of steam. To stand here is to stand at the edge of creation. The ground beneath your feet is hot, cracked, alive. Around you, the earth exhales, a reminder that the planet is never still, but always in motion, always alive. This is the living breath of the earth, a volcano not extinct, but merely asleep. Scientists classify Nisyros as active, though dormant. Its last eruptive activity occurred in the late 19th century. Today, the hydrothermal system beneath Stefanos is a constant reminder of the forces lying just below. Standing inside the crater is like entering another world, barren, harsh, yet deeply beautiful. Each rock, each layer of ash tells a story of ancient eruptions and restless forces still shaping our planet. Here lies Stefanos, the largest and most impressive of Nisyros' volcanic craters. Nearly 350 meters across and 27 meters deep, Stefanos is a vast bowl carved into the heart of the island. Formed around 3,000 years ago, it remains one of the world's most remarkable hydrothermal craters. From above, it resembles a great scar, pale yellow and white from sulfur deposits, its cracked floor steaming with fumaroles. As you descend, the world shifts. The air smells of sulfur, the ground is hot beneath your feet, and thin plumes of steam hiss from vents. And so, Nisyros rests once more in silence. Its villages bask in sunlight, its people live their lives in peace. But deep within, the giant stirs and the island breathes, a timeless reminder of the power and beauty of our living world.